Welcome to the moving vlog. Good morning, sleepy fellas. Our last Utica coffee run to wake up before the movers get here. He always stands up. Pretty good, huh? The movers are pulling up. On our way back. Oh my goodness. Look at our living room. They were quick. Like, look at this. I'm so impressed. This is so much harder than last season because we had the driveway in front of the house and they could just put stuff in the pod so quick. But now since we're in a building, they're like going down the elevator, going down the ramp. Like, it just takes a lot longer. Yeah, it's crazy how like skilled they are with wrapping up furniture and doing it so fast, you know? Not the Christmas decorations. There's a pair of eyeballs looking at your croissant. His mouth. Poor guy. Lucky you. You got a pop cup earlier and a treat and a bite of croissant.
I didn't get a treat.
Yeah, you did.
There?
Yep.
You did?
You missed it.
I missed it.
He got a cookie and a pop cup. And a croissant. Happy morning to you, huh? Look at you go. Don't you feel like we should be like helping the movers? I always feel like I want to like offer them a hand.
No.
But what help can I really offer?
Get in the way.
Yeah. Say goodbye, Bodie. Bye. Max just got smart and remembered. We gotta set up our trash pickup on the Cape now. That we're gonna be back. He dropped off our Wi-Fi and cable box yesterday. There's so many things when you move. Eating overnight oats.
Isn't it nice having someone who's on top of things?
The number you dialed.
Did they get a new number? What happened?
We're blocked.
Like, seriously?
I can go into my recents. You know what's funny though is they never answer anyway. They always call you back.
I know, maybe I'll do that. Request a call then.
I wish I had like a banana or fruit, but I threw away our rotting fruit from the fridge. Are these the same movers we used last spring?
And in the fall.
Wow, they're the best. But it's never the same exact guys. Or they'd probably be like,
Yeah.
what the heck? We just moved you like twice. Poor Brody has gone through so many moves. He's probably like, where to now? But do you think he knows? Can someone tell me, do dogs understand? Like, if we're like, we're going to Cape Cod, like the Cape. Like, I feel like he knows things. Like, he knows outside. He knows the beach. He knows Lucy. He knows. So if we're like, we're going back to Cape Cod. Like, he knows.
Let's do a trip down. Let's do it.
All right.
While they're down there, you know?
Yeah. So we're out of the way. We have more stuff to bring to our cars. Hangers, my nightstand bag. And I haven't even looked in the pod yet. I want to look at how they're packing it. Remember we were so nervous last year because we had the teeny pod?
Wait,
What?
we should have put the Brita in that kitchen thing, or we just chuck it.
Oh yeah. I don't know. It kind of scares me.
I feel like we should just
Chuck it. They get like moldy.
Yeah.
And it's red like it needs a new filter anyway. I don't know, is that bad? I think I never told you I went on the Cape. It was looking black.
Yeah, I know. No, you told me.
And I chucked it one day.
Yeah.
I was scared. I'm like, not our Brita poisoning us. But remember because we had the little pod, they had to fold our mattress into a taco.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I don't think they had to because of the pod. They had to get it down our staircase. That's why they did it. And it was like folded up all year in the pod or all summer. And I was so scared we were gonna come back in the fall and the mattress is gonna like not lay flat again. But it did. All right.
Ready?
Yeah, so this is a good
I'm going down.
oats break. I needed a moment.
Ready?
I'm ready. See ya. We keep joking. You're in the pod next. See you in the fall. Wanna go with?
Season.
All the weights have come in so handy holding all the doors open. Guys, please look at my front seat. This is so bad. All the fragile stuff just hanging around on top. Hopefully that doesn't like fall out. My laptop's in there. Ninja Creamy Bravo. Like, this is so bad. Poorly packed. Lordy. There's so many suitcases in Max's car. Bags of clothes of mine. Bedding. My bike under there is hopefully okay. Clothes. His hockey bag. His car literally fits so much, which is very ideal. Look at these weights holding open these doors. Came to say one last goodbye to my gym. My gym, aka the apartment complex gym. I'm gonna cry, you guys. No, that's so dramatic. But this literally, I know this is so bad, but I always said it's my favorite part of living here. I just love this gym so much. It literally made me love working out again because just my most ideal setup. It's not too big, so I'm not overwhelmed. Sometimes a big gym with so much going on, it's overwhelming. And it's always empty, so I always get to myself, get my content, win-win. Has everything I need. Elliptical, I'd go on sometimes. I love the cable machine, the Kaiser. Rowing machine I went on like once. Treadmill I went on like every day. Did my walks, my hot girl walks and incline walks. Peloton I went on a couple times. Stairmaster a couple times. Did my Sydney workouts out here. Did some dances in front of the lights, in front of the windows. So much natural light in here. I just love it. Oh man. Guess we'll see. We don't know if we'll be back in the fall, so we could be. And I would want to be right back in this building because I love this gym so much. We shall see how the summer goes and where Max signs. Brody.
You help him, Brody.
There it goes. Oh, please. Can you reach it? Brody. Max did a little final vacuum, wiping down the counters. It's crazy because whenever we moved out of places in the past, we always hire cleaners for after we leave so that we don't have to worry about cleaning. But this place was really, I mean, we like kept it clean, like the showers clean, bathrooms clean. So we were like, okay, we're just gonna vacuum, do the counters, and like we should be good. Interrupting this moving vlog quick, coming to you live from the future back here on the Cape for a very important reason, okay? Because my favorite activewear, Petula, is having their biannual sale through through May 4th. So I want to make sure I let you guys know before this sale is over. Includes a lot of my favorite styles, like this Sierra, I believe this is their Sierra MVP bra. Also love their barepro leggings and bra, barepro MVP leggings. I can put all the style names that I'm going to show you guys in the description down below. But yes, I've been getting like all my friends and fam onto their stuff. They're just so good. These are like their little biker shorts, and I'm about to do a little walk, my walking pad in this. So yeah, this will be me again at the end of the vlog. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the cutie pieces I got. Also, I need to tell you that my code Gretchen10 still works for 10% off from Petula, so that will stack on top of their biannual sale, which is amazing. So you can get even more of a discount. Oh, look who joined us. Yeah, a visitor. Then we have this same style bra in white. I have it in like a hot pink, and I love it so much. I feel like it's so flattering, so I had to get more colors. Speaking of hot pink, I got some hot pink like ribbed biker shorts as well. Clearly, I'm liking the pink and white. Got another white sports bra, and I actually have the style in a couple colors as well. I love the strappy back detail, and then some more pink, some pink little yoga pants. Just their buttery, soft color, flare out at the bottom. Or do you guys call these flare leggings? Comment down below. Are you a flare legging gal or yoga pants? I think I call these yoga pants. But anyway, if you haven't tried Petula, if you've been thinking about it, if I've been influencing you and you're like, oh, I want to try, now is the time, you guys. During their sale, especially with my code Gretchen10, don't forget, I'll have them linked down below. I'll put these style names down below. My favorites again, the Sierra, barepro. Yeah, this style bra as well. They're just such flattering cuts and like so buttery, soft, and comfy. And I think I always get compliments on these sets. Just telling me they're like cute colors, look really nice, really flattering. So yes, I love you so much, Petula. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and we can get back into the moving content. Woo, we're all moved out. Can't believe it. We didn't even tell them. It only took them 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Like, that's so impressive. You guys saw all the stuff we had in there, and which is crazy.
It packed up nice.
Yeah.
Imagine we had to try to figure that out. Oh my god.
We always say, obviously movers are expensive, worth every freaking penny. Because I was like, if we tried to move even just the chairs, even the bar stools, we would be like, us moving the bed, The couch.
Yeah.
The dresser. It's crazy because in the fall, I wasn't here when they unpacked it, but I feel like you said it took them longer unpacking the pod. Maybe like, what,
no, I
3?
think right around the same.
Okay. But we accumulated even more furniture
Yeah.
throughout the year. You know, like they were quick. Do you have 3 movers in the fall too?
Yeah, I think so.
They're just like
But it was
professionals.
like the same.
I think they just know how to move stuff and not hurt their back. Like if I were to lift any of those things, I'd be hurting my back, you know? Unfortunately, the end of hockey season always comes right when it's nice out. Like this is when I want to stay. When it's finally sunny and warm here.
Think about how nice it is back home.
True. So, can't complain. We're walking to get lunch, our last Utica meal. I think he knows where we're going. He's excited.
Hey.
No pulling, sir.
What?
At Rick's. They love him. We were just saying they get so excited to see him. And Utica Coffee, they're gonna miss him. Everyone down here knows him.
He's the mascot.
He's the mayor of Utica. When he starts breathing crazy. If you guys ever find yourself in Utica, you need to come to Rick's. It's so good. Woo!
No, you get the bando.
Naughty. It's not a burger or a fry, but I think you'll still like it. Good boy. Max's appetizer. Guys, their Oreo shakes are so, is it thick? Hard to cut out of the straw. Maybe I'll just have one sip. Oh my God, it's so thick. It's not coming out of the straw.
Yeah, really.
They're milkshakes. I'm not even a milkshake gal. Their milkshakes are the best milkshakes ever. Oh, I just drank from your straw. Hopefully you don't catch this cold I got going on. Sorry. You feel so good. I can't believe his face isn't like up in here. Got a little cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
What's over there?
Nothing. In paradise.
Max's second lunch. I'm having deja vu.
So much on that vlog. You can't remember what you said and what you didn't.
Oh wait, I'm feeling like I'm having deja vu like I did tell them, but now if I didn't tell them, they're gonna be confused. Long story short, I was supposed to get microneedling yesterday for my last one, but now I'm doing it today on our way out of town. So, gotta go grab the last couple of things from the apartment, toss them in our cars, and then I'll go. So then I'm gonna be lobster the rest of the drive home. It'll be worth it. People are saying they notice a difference in my skin. Do you notice a difference in my skin?
Glowing.
But like, I don't know if I do because I just look at it every day. But I feel like people have been complimenting me more.
Yeah, it's
So I
glowing.
feel like the microneedlings are, or like the before and after photos, I see a difference.
Yeah, it's looking snatched.
Was it just terrible before or something?
Horrible. Ugh.
Okay, Brody, this is it. Kept saying earlier, it feels like smaller without stuff in it. Like it's still big, but like, I don't know, it's crazy. Like when a couch and especially the bedroom feels smaller without stuff in it. Here's our living room, our last goodbye. Kitchen, got one last trash bag to bring down. Cooler bag of stuff I just got from the fridge. Now everything is empty in here. I really hope. My water, Culture Pop for the road, our keys, Max's cookie from yesterday. He wants to finish Brody's leash. This stuff I think we're just gonna check. There's like a drop of soap left and like one Clorox wipe left. Here's our bedroom, empty. This is like a goodbye, but also a final walkthrough to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Can you guys see up there for me? Because I can't see. I don't think there's anything up there. Okay. Oh, are you following me? And then second bedroom. Of course, it's a beautiful sunny day, and then you like don't want to leave. This is sad. Felt so quick. It's weird, you guys, because I feel like I wanted to vlog in the mirror right there. It's all packed up. It's weird because last hockey season, Max spent half the season in New Jersey and half the season here. And so we were only in our house. We actually had a house in Clinton that we rented last season, if you guys remember. We were only in there like half the season, but I like wasn't really happy there. I just felt like really far away from everyone, disconnected. Like it was our first year in this organization, so we didn't really know, like most of his teammates lived downtown. We just felt like, I don't know, I just felt disconnected, far away from everyone, but also I think I felt disconnected because we were like gone with both teams half the year, so we didn't really feel settled anywhere. So it's weird because this year we were literally here twice as often because Max just played here in Utica this season, and it feels like quicker than last season because I think I was just so settled here and really enjoyed living here. This is like such a pretty, nice new building. So yeah. Okay, bye. You staying? You look so little in an empty room.
And we're off.
And goodbye. See ya on the Cape.
Yep.
This feels like yesterday saying goodbye to our house last year. I cannot believe it's been a year.
I know.
See you on the Cape Road.
Bye, bub. You're staying.
Numbing cream on. Whole car packed up. You can see behind Brody. I know I showed you that mess earlier, but just left microneedling at Rejuvenate. Oh, it's down that way a little bit if you can see. The girls in there, they couldn't believe I was like, guys, I'm literally driving back home right now. Like, movers came this morning and they were like, what? Whoa, I actually feel like in there, I think my skin is getting more used to microneedling and it was less red than it has been in the past, but now I feel like it's getting more red. It's catching up to me. Anyway, that worked out perfect because Max came while I was in there. It was only like 20 minutes. It's so quick, which is nice. And he walked Brody around here while I got my microneedling. So now we're all ready for a long car ride, huh? Did you have a nice walk-ups while I was in here? Okay, I kind of feel like I could pee, but I'm gonna stop for gas anyway. So let's do it. Back to the Cape. I feel like not ready. I can't believe it's time for back to the Cape for the summer. Guys, it was so surreal. Was I saying this in the last vlog? I don't know how. When I was saying goodbye to girls here, they're like, can't wait to see photos from your wedding. And I'm like, my what? Like, I'm gonna get home and it's gonna be like so soon. Kind of crazy. All right, bye. Probably will update you on the way. If not, see you on the Cape. Okay, bro. We're like halfway. We're like halfway. We got like 2.5 more hours. Think you can handle it? We just had a little potty gas break. My lips are feeling really chapped. I was gonna say it's the microneedling, no, because it felt chapped before too. I'm just gonna load up on that. The numbness of my face is wearing off. I always say it's the weirdest thing with microneedling. Your whole face feels numb. And the redness is crazy. She's like, every time you get microneedling, it'll be less and less red because your skin's more used to it. The first one was like a tomato as a lobster for a whole day. Now it's not bad at all. And it's only a couple hours later, so that's crazy. Okay, off we go. Max is so far ahead of us now that we stopped for a bit, but onward we go. I'm so happy it's like nice and sunny too. It just like keeps me awake driving during the day, not in the darkness when I'm falling asleep, you know, and I'll get there before the sun even sets, which is so nice. So let's do it, puppy. We made it, and it's like the perfect time of night. It's a golden hour sunset. So pretty. We made it. Here are just some of the packages. I need to show them what it looks like before it's absolutely filled in here with our stuff. Max started bringing stuff in. Oh, it feels so good to be back.
You are so thirsty.
Oh, Brody can't wait for his food. Max got us some Chick-fil-A for dinner. Oh my. We got the spicy Southwest salad. Yum. Last thing we could think about is like making food tonight. Gotta eat these and unpack all of our car stuff. It's the next day. No, I popped in earlier in this vlog to tell you guys about Petula. Here I am now. What's he doing? So don't forget, code Gretchen 10 for 10% off, and their sale is going through May 4th. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this moving vlog. Stay tuned for unboxing all the packages, getting settled. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video.